A former Major League Baseball pitcher shared his struggles with mental health during an event designed to bring awareness to mental health challenges. At tonight's Stand Up and Talk event in South Sioux City, pitcher Anthony Ronaldo said he received death threats after walking 5 straight batters in the same inning of a game. And after he was traded, he said he felt like just a number on a roster. The event was a fundraiser tonight for the Rory McKenna You Matter Fund. The fund helps tackle the financial barriers for families seeking mental health assistance.
4 years ago, my brother passed away from suicide, and it really brought awareness that, everyone needs help, and that when you don't think someone needs it, it's really important to know that everyone out there needs to know that there's support and that there would be supported.
Now, the goal for this year's event was to raise $80,000, which should extend needed resources to more than 200 children in Siouxland.